and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name's Lorraine Marshall and my YouTube channel is Lorraine Marshall Online, and it is where I upload review videos of digital products that are launching. Today we're going to be having a look at the product which is Little Black Book. So first of all, we're going to have a look at the members area, and then I'm going to show you the sales page, and then I'll take you to the bonus page and my bonuses, where when you purchase Little Black Book through my link in the description below, then you will receive the bonuses that I will talk about later in the video. So first of all, let's go over to the members area. So here we are inside of the dashboard in the members area of the Affiliate Marketers Little Black Book. Basically, this product is information product. It's a PDF, it's a download. Also inside of here, they are all of the upsells for this funnel, which you can see at this point are locked. So you've got your Easy Cloaker, the List Profit Sniper, Multi-Profit Niches, and Interview Products Plus, which is still open. So the actual PDF looks like this, which goes over, I think it's 7 different strategies. Seven different strategies to improve your marketing, your affiliate marketing, threefold. So if you're making around $100 a day and you implement some of these strategies, then you can improve your income to around $300. And if you're making $1,000, then you could improve that to $3,000. Now, this is the claims that the product creator is making. The product creator is Raj Rehat, and he obviously goes through a lot of information in this PDF, and I can't divulge all of it, obviously, for various reasons, because otherwise, why would you buy the product? So let's go over and look at the sales page and how that looks. So you've got 7 super affiliate hacks that you can increase your commissions by 300%. And they're claiming it's less than 60 minutes of simple work. He claims 90% of affiliate marketers are doing things wrong, and these hacks will improve your knowledge, give you the information you need in order to improve your conversion rates and your income rates, earnings. So this product is, I can say it's an information product. I think there might be some testimonials near to the end, so you've got what I've just been through. We're on the sales page, and this is the 7 different strategies that are inside of the information product, which I said it's a PDF download. Strategy 1, the triple threat stack, which is basically they're saying it's an easy way to start promotions on your affiliate links. Strategy 2, bridging the gap, making it harder for your followers to click the link, makes an increase in your conversions and profits. Strategy 3, the one ahead promotion, double the number of upsell products that your customers buy from the product that you're promoting. Strategy 4, attack from all sides, how to create a flood with internet and your affiliate campaign to get maximum number of views, clicks and sales. Strategy 5, the first mover advantage. The early affiliate makes the most money. Use a simple technique to beat your competition down and win the race before it even begins. Strategy 6, the aggressive promotion, which you can beat the competition because they're all too scared or, as he says, too stupid to do it, but it'll 10x your results instantly. And strategy 7, a brand-wide integration where you can inject magic process into every area of your online real estate. That means your blog, your members area, or your thank you pages. And then you can watch your affiliate commission soar. So it all sounds really, really good. So let's go over now and have a look at how much this product costs and my bonus page, which you'll find the link in the description below this video. So Affiliate Market's Little Black Book, which is launching on July 1st, which is Thursday this week. And the price of this product starts at $12 to $17 at the front end. There's an upsell of $27, a further upsell of $67, and a third upsell of $97. Which I've already shown you what those are inside of the dashboard of the members area. So let's go now and have a look at the bonuses that you can get access to once you buy through the link that I have in the description below. The first one is access to Backlink Warrior, which, as it is, it's basically putting backlinks on different places to increase your clicks, first 24 hours only. The second bonus is learning how to get better conversions. The third bonus is how to explode your YouTube channel. And the fourth bonus is Boomerang Buddy Pro, which is a software and training. Basically, you can go find a lot of influencers. It's using Instagram. You find these influencers on Instagram where you can then contact them and then ask them for shout outs, where you pay a small amount of money for them to promote something that you want people to engage with, which obviously will be a link for a page that you're selling affiliate products from. So that's that bonus. So when you purchase, you will also get all the vendor bonuses for the Little Black Book. And when you click on any of these buttons on this bonus page, then you'll be taken to the sales page to purchase through my link. When you go through to JVZoo, which is where this is being promoted from, you will find your details and access to the product. And here, where this red arrow is pointing to this little link there, is where we'll find all of my bonuses that I've just gone through. So that's all we have today about this review. And we'll see you on the next review. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, Lorraine Marshall Online, and go visit my website, makemoneyonline-niches.com. And if you like, you can go and grab my free book. Thank you and goodbye.